Okay, 3.34. Rewrite the following if statement using conditional operator. Okay, so conditional operator, normally we call it as a ternary operator. So let's look at the input that again depends on age. If it's over 16 years old, ticket price is 20. If it's less than 16, the price is 10. Okay, let's say we print actual ticket price. Okay, let's try to run it. Again, the age is 0 years old, so still have to pay $10. Okay, so let's say 20. Okay, we pay 20. So if you look at here, let's make a comments. Conditional operator, we are talking about conditions. Okay, age greater than or equal to 16. Sorry, that's equal. Then we have a question mark. Okay, ternary operator. We have two operators, and then operand we say 20. Okay, 20 is assigned to ticket price, isn't it? So we say 20 assigned to ticket price. Looks complicated, so let's use the parentheses same as here. So if you copy, paste it, it looks more readable. Okay. So if this condition is true, then we are assigning 20 to ticket price. If it's not true, we use colon. We assign number 10. Okay. We are assigning number 10 to ticket price. So it does exactly the same as if-else statement. Okay. If the condition is true, the question mark means true. 20 will be assigned to ticket price. If the condition is not true, $10 is going to be assigned to ticket price. So in this case, it is true because age is 20. Okay, 20 is greater than or equal to 16, so we are assigning 20 to ticket price. Okay, same. Let's say I'm 10 years old. Okay, the condition is not true, then after colon, okay, $10 will be assigned to ticket price. Okay, 10. That's all. Thank you.